Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join us by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon. So whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about the video after watching on the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my next one.
There is a movie circulating around the social media. That movie was directed by DSS, Nigerian Police. The script was also written by Nigerian DSS Police, and the act by some Nigerian Igbo useless boys, because a real Biafran cannot act that stupid thing. So everybody should disregard that movie. Just see it as a movie. Count it among the action movie you normally watch in YouTube, okay? Because they are just searching for evidence to nail Nnamdi Kanu down. But we are 7 steps ahead of them. They are just joking. DSS and some Igbo politicians, more especially those ones from Anambra State, they are searching for evidence, to nail Nnamdi Kanu down, so they can carry on with their election, whatever. So we are 7 steps ahead of you guys. You can make any arrangements to nail our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu down, but that is not possible. Somebody asked me, why do I hate BBC Igbo so much? And this is my response. Because they hate our people. They hate Igbo people. BBC Igbo is not for Igbo people. BBC Igbo is for Fulani cabals. It's business of Fulani cabals and some useless Igbo politicians. They are just like Ohaneze Ndigbo. You know that name, they answer Ohaneze Ndigbo. People will think this people is for Igbo people. No, these are for the Fulanis. It's for the Fulanis. This is the reason why I hate BBC Igbo, because they hate our people. Have you ever seen BBC Igbo make any post about Fulani herdsmen carrying AK-47 or carrying machine gun? You can see some 18 years Fulani boys in the bush carrying machine gun, moving around. Have you ever seen BBC Igbo make any post of them? The answer is no. But guess what? Yesterday, BBC Igbo quickly rushed and make that post of those boys acting movie with the Nigerian Police DSS. They make that post quickly. Those boys saying they are Biafran motherland warrior. That thing is just arrangement by DSS, Nigerian Police, searching for evidence to nail Nnamdi Kanu down. That's what they are searching for. And the BBC, so-called BBC Igbo, is against Nnamdi Kanu. They always making a post of something that will bring Nnamdi Kanu down. Do you understand the game? That is why I hate BBC Igbo. That is the reason why. But let me give this little advice to Nigerian government, and also to all those useless politicians we have in our land. Now you pin Nnamdi Kanu down. You are believing that everything will be okay. No, it's not gonna be okay. When you pin Nnamdi Kanu down too much, and you bribe a lot of people to go and destroy IPOB, you are making arms to yourself. Because at the end of the day, when the people scattered, there will be some people with a different group. You can see about 10 or 20 or 50 people, they will come together and they vow like a cult. They will say, we are going to revenge. You will see them, they will be carrying an attack everywhere. If you don't know this. You want to bring a very dangerous movement which will consume all of you. Now the kind you are seeing, that man is a man of peace. The way we want it, we don't want any of you alive. All those politicians, those wicked ones. We don't want any of you alive. We want all of you die today. Now the kind is the one holding everybody. No, that is not the way. But you people went and grabbed him, pinned him down. Everybody hates you guys. Everybody. Everybody just waiting for the day you will hear this politician die, this politician die, this politician die. That is what we are waiting for. Any day we hear that the politician die, we celebrate. Can't you get the message? Nnamdi Kanu is not your problem. Now, what you people are about to do now, you bring Nnamdi Kanu down and you sponsor so many IPOB members to bring problem in the IPOB so that the movement will fall. When the people scatter, I repeat again, when these people scatter, you can see some group of people, about 10 or 20 of them, they will plan and do something that you will never believe that somebody can do on this planet Earth. They will keep on damaging things year to year. You don't know? By that time, you won't get anybody to, you can't catch anybody. You will not even understand who is doing it. You better you make peace in that our land before it's too late. This is a very big message I'm passing to you people. Pinning Nnamdi Kanu down is dangerous. Nnamdi Kanu, you see this Biafran, there are some people who have already vowed that they are ready to die because of Biafra. You don't know? They can go and arrange it themselves and they cause a very big problem. And you will be thinking, searching for who do this, who do that. If you don't know it. People don't love Nnamdi Kanu too much. The love people have for that man is not somebody you can pin down that way. It's a message. Release Nnamdi Kanu and make peace to reign in that land. All of you, every time you people love to use army, police to intimidate people. That is not the solution. Intimidating people with the police and the army. For how long? Nobody is animal. If your children are animal, IPOB, Biafrans, we are not animal. You can't intimidate us that way. Make peace. What are we asking for? We are asking for good life. If you want to be a governor, govern everybody well. Not when you bring allocation from Abuja and you swallow the money with some group of criminals like you. And you expect everybody to be quiet. We don't have a road. We don't have nothing. We have nothing. And we are struggling on our own. At the same time, you guys don't want everybody to have rest, to have peace. At the same time, Fulani herdsmen are using AK-47, terrorizing people everywhere. We are living in poverty. We are living and we are happy with the poverty. At the same time, Fulani herdsmen won't allow us to rest. In the farm, they won't allow us to rest. This is the reason why Nnamdi Kanu created the ESN to protect our land. And all of you are against him. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu, that is going to be the best idea for you people. Pinning him down is dangerous. As we are talking now, there are some people you see them, they can plan and arrange on their own and do whatever bad thing they wish to do. But if Nnamdi Kanu is in control, he will give order. Everybody listen to him. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu. You guys are bringing, now you want to bring disaster in our land. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu. I'm begging you people. This disaster you people want about to unleash in our land is going to consume everybody. Many people are not happy because of Nnamdi, the way you people are arresting Nnamdi Kanu. Many are not happy. Release Nnamdi Kanu so there will be peace. Thank you. And I greet all of you.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye.